Presenting Little Laureates, our e-learning platform to enrich your child's world, 2 to 5 years of age, help them gather holistic knowledge, become self-reliant and future-ready. Little Laureates is an integrated set of interactive online services that provide teachers, learners, and others involved in education with information, tools and resources to support and enhance education delivery and management. Available anytime, anywhere, Little Laureates permit 3 logins for students, parents and teachers to track the unique learning journey of each child and connect with mentors too. Is your child bored staying at home in these challenging times? Why not be part of our awesome learning journey? Opt for either mentor-led classes or self-paced learning with videos, games and interactive animation-based modules. Attend live classes with mentors, play games and solve interesting worksheets, which will be evaluated by our experts. Don't worry if you miss a class. View recordings and clarify with your mentors. You can also opt for learning without a teacher, engage in self-paced learning through videos, interactive games, use various learning tools and engage in a variety of curriculum-based learning.